Hi, I'm Jim. I'm 63 years old, retired software engineer, but I now have a travel agency specializing in cruises. My most important job, though, is being a grandpa. I suffer from essential tremors, which means for no particular reason, my hands will begin to shake. So here's how I did the initial setup and usage of the Kinesia U app. There's two elements. One is the watch. There's an actual Kinesia U app on the watch. I initiate the app, and you'll see it simply gives you a colored dot, a blue dot when it starts with the exit. That's the only thing on your screen. And then on the phone, we go ahead and I initiate the Kinesia U app, which has the assessment, the reports, and the diary. And I start my assessment, and I have the watch on my shakier hand. I click on continue, and it instructs me what's involved in the assessment. The first is resting arms, and the second is a rotating wrist. So when I click start, it shows me the position, and I get in the position, and the watch vibrates telling me that it's testing. And it does the countdown until it's done. I get the vibration, and now it's showing me how I'm supposed to do the second test. And when this is over, if I've done everything correctly, it's going to say, you want to retest or accept that test. And I accept it, and we're done. Now, if I go to the home screen, I can actually go into my reports, and it shows the last couple of assessments I've had some mild symptoms. So I can check immediately what my status is in terms of my tremor disorder.